what?
I am.
I'm a wild animal. See you later. I'm going through a nasty divorce right now.
Sorry.
Yeah, we're going through a nasty marriage, I'm telling you.
Well, see you later. I tested positive today.
You did? Why?
See you later. My kids make fun of me in a group text and I cry out in my car during supper. I just got lip injections.
How did that work?
Well, see you later. I'm suing Jeff Bezos.
Oh, yeah? Why's that?
Unwarranted sodomy.
Oh, there you go.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Guess who crushed 4 cans of Easy Cheese last night? Well, see you later. I haven't washed my bedding in several months. See you later. Well, gurgle my yolk and tell me a joke. What up, shit stain? How you doing?
I don't think I know you.
It's Bren.
Oh,
Yeah.
I couldn't tell about all the
I know, of course. How you been?
doing some shoplifting, you know?
You old dog, you. You're about a mile high now, huh? You had the most bulbousy little thigh knots. I remember dipping my darts in kerosene and then taking shots at those little bastards. Remember this? Till they squealed like boiling lobsters.
Yeah. I did that.
Yeah, night and day, night and day. Let me see that mouth of yours, eh? Oh, there it is, there it is. Remember this? You want some? Huh? No? Oh, it's good stuff. It's good stuff. Katy Perry, 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 Katy Perry. The choir, yeah. Oh, I will. Yeah. All right, buddy. Well, good running into you. Maybe I'll meet you out in the parking lot and we could split a case of Mickeys or something. You know what I'm saying? Dolphin dive high five.
The wife wouldn't appreciate that. I got it at home.
Yep. All right, take it easy. Yep. Have a good one. You too. I've been stealing from the church. See you later. I'm in love with the cocoa.